What's going on, guys? Today we're going shopping to try to fix the underglow on the Civic a little bit. It looks like saggy Christmas tree lights from the side, and I want to see if I can take care of that. So driving in the FRS right now. Sorry, it's just a little shaky. I don't have a good mount for the camera. We're gonna go pick up Jenna, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot and see what we can find to reinforce the underglow strips. Stay tuned.
I was hiring. Okay. Hello. Last time I was hiring, shoot, what was it? Okay. She was like, spent way too many hours in the office last time I was hiring that I spent so little time with my kids that they started calling me by my first name. And I was like, what? And then then you hear her son go, "Rod of milk, Deborah." It's so good. It's so good. She's like, ZipRecruiter allows me to be with my family. But like, he was just, Deborah. So monotone. It was just like, "Rod of milk, Deborah." The best commercial I've ever heard. That's it. What are you doing? Why'd you record that?
Say hi to YouTube.
No, we're not on YouTube. You gonna put it on YouTube?
Yep.
We're out of milk, Deborah. Deborah, like of all names. That's so good. That's so good. You're recording already. Nick, where are we?
Home Depot.
Why?
To get reinforcement for my underglow.
That's why you dragged me here for underglow? I thought this was a real car problem.
No.
Oh my goodness.
We have to find the metal.
Yeah, let's find it by ourselves because no one's going to service us because we're dressed like slobs.
No, we just need to find gin.
Jim?
Yeah.
Or gin?
Gin?
Like the alcohol?
No, Sober October.
That's just you. I'm not doing that.
Yes, you are. You said
No,
you were going
I
to.
told you I would pretend to do it, but I'm not actually going to do it. Do we need media releases for all these people?
I'm not going to put them in here.
That man was certainly in it.
Oh, that's fine.
Where's Jim? Who's Jim?
He works
Is that
here.
Jim?
Could be.
Is that Jim? Is that Jim?
This isn't what we're looking for.
Good job.
Hang on. No, this might work.
Wait, you said I was in control of the camera.
Okay, you can keep recording if you want. Oh, this is what I was looking for, or something like this. This is heavy, though. I need something like half the weight of this.
Well,
This is
cut
gonna
it in
put
half
my
then.
underglow strip in there. I need something thin like this. But it doesn't need to have a lip on the other end, but that'd be super awesome if it did. I could put two together.
I do definitely notice he was in the camera.
I could do that and then cut them shorter. But then I would have to glue them together.
Too much work.
That one didn't go there, and this one didn't go here. Let's keep going. Let's go to the other metal section.
The other stuff is too heavy. This is definitely too heavy.
Here we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for.
What is it?
I don't know, but it needs to be thinner.
So it's not what you're looking for.
Well, it'll work.
Nick, am I taller than the 5-footer?
Yes. This is technically what I need. I don't think this will fit in FRS.
Come on, it's getting boring. I could just hold it out the window. What you got there, Nick?
You got this little piece of shelving.
You don't even know what it's called.
It's for shelving. I don't know what it does.
It's 68 inches long.
It's 68 inches long.
That's what she said.
It's not long enough. How many inches are in 3 feet? 36. That's 36 times 2.
I'm an English major.
70 something. This isn't long enough.
Are you kidding me?
We got one of these that's longer.
I don't know.
Let's go this way.
Dang it. I just want ice cream. So we're getting the white one. That one. That one. It looks like that.
Yeah, it's not as thick on the side, so the underglow is still going to hang down, but it's still got some to hold it in place left to right, and it's going to hold it nice and firm so it doesn't look like saggy Christmas lights.
And it's longer.
And it's the right length.
Yeah.
And it's white, so I don't have to paint it.
Cool, so time for ice cream.
It's time for ice cream.
Yes!
So you might be wondering what all that is about. So what we're doing now is, I just really don't like the way that this sags down here, this underglow. The other side's really bad because I had to take it off once. And when you're kind of downhill from the car looking at it, you can easily see the underglow underneath, and it just looks like crap. Like, it's just looks like Christmas lights hung up under here. So I got this stuff right here, which I measured out to be the right size. I just had to cut this right in half. And then the underglow is going to sit in this groove. I'm just going to glue it in here. And that's going to hold it straight, and then I can zip tie that to the bottom of the side skirt. And we'll be good to go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing in half. I can't find my file, so I hope I don't ever cut myself on that. That'd be unfortunate. But it's kind of going to be out of the way. This is what we're using to glue it. This glue right here. I'm just going to glue it to that metal piece and then zip tie it back up where it was, and it should look way better, way cleaner. See that? One side down, and it looks way better this way. Like all straight across like that instead of saggy like the other side. Here's another view. Here's the gross side. It's all saggy and whatnot. See how bad that looks? It looks really bad. And then the good side. Now, I normally wouldn't care about this, except for the fact that you really can see it when you're a decent amount of distance away from the car and you're looking at it. You can see the underglow underneath, and it looks really bad. So this is my fix. I don't know if you remember this, but I've been saying for like 3 videos now that I need to top off my AC, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this thing was broken. I lost like half of the can's refrigerant, or a lot of it, and I think maybe some of it went in there, but I was kind of concerned that it might have been letting it out. I mean, it's not cutting on and off now. It was like just in the blue on the gauge, so it's not completely full at this point. So that whole thing sucks. It was like getting on my hand and kind of burning my hand. It was leaking through the handle on there, and I just polluted a whole bunch of air conditioning stuff into the environment, which really sucks. So I guess I'm gonna have to get another can and try again. All right, take 2. Alright, I don't know why I struggled so much with that, but that time a whole bunch of it went in there. It is now full, and I shouldn't have any more AC problems. I'll check it once summer comes around again, make sure it's not leaking, and we should be alright. One thing that's kind of cool that I just realized is my Subaru, or my FRS Subaru motor, takes the same oil filter as my Honda, so that's pretty sweet. I feel like I've heard that before, but yeah, same exact size and everything, so really cool. I'll be changing the oil in the FRS soon. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Sorry it was so short. Peace out.